This is Ben. We're looking at LEGO set 21152, The Pirate Adventure. This is a real cool set. It's really unique in some of the features it has. You get a cute little dolphin, a sea turtle, comes with an Alex minifigure that is also in a rowboat. There's a zombie that you can place burning or just as it is, a parrot, and a pirate. You can set it up in two different ways. You can have it like this as one big giant setting, or you can actually pull apart the pirate ship pieces and construct them as a boat. Let me show you how that works. Up of these small little junctions, and they slide right off of the main set. And then these same junction sections can be clicked together to form the large pirate ship. The pirate ship itself has a gangplank. You can make it come in and out of either side. Some of the other cool accessories or elements in this include the pirate flag, a map, a compass, fire element, a chest, and a fish with a fishing pole, and a torch, some TNT, and some other environment elements. This set does contain 3 bags and 3 separate instruction booklets. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.